Welcome to ASCII Geek.
Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of ASCII Geek,
where we build your next advantage with tomorrow's technology. And today, one of our experts is stepping in to show our latest breakthrough. Enjoy and happy learning.
All right. Scroll through social media for 5 minutes, and you'll find an army of influencers promising that AI trading scripts generate instant, high-margin returns. The pitch is seductive. You ask a chatbot to write a trading algorithm, copy the code, and paste it directly onto your price charts, expecting a steady stream of automated profit. Then the market opens. When these scripts face live, unpredictable data, retail accounts are routinely wiped out in a matter of days. The culprit is a mathematical trap called curve fitting. This algorithm constructs a complex, jagged path to perfectly intersect every historical point. It hasn't discovered an edge, it just memorized the answer key. Upon encountering unseen data, the logic collapses. Asking a standard AI chatbot to write a strategy doesn't prevent bad trading, it simply executes a bad idea faster. Validating a strategy used to be a massive physical hurdle. It required dedicated data teams and vast server infrastructure to separate luck from statistical reality. Surviving modern financial markets now demands a level of institutional-grade mathematical validation. A conversational language model spitting out generic Python code lacks the required rigor. This is why developers are shifting away from conversational chatbots and toward tools like Claude Code. These act as agentic daemons, autonomous background workers that run continuously in your local terminal. Claude Code eases walk-forward analysis to bypass curve fitting. A historical timeline splits into isolated windows. First, the AI isolates a 12-month window, running thousands of simulations to train parameters. Once optimal, these settings are permanently locked and blindly tested on the subsequent 3 months. The system records performance, steps forward, and repeats the cycle over the next chunk of history. The algorithm must prove it can survive unknown conditions before a single dollar is risked. By using the command line to chain optimization loops and write results to local CSV files, Claude Code turns a standard laptop into an institutional-grade backtesting laboratory. The validation continues through intense stress tests, like Monte Carlo simulations. These inject artificial randomness into the price data to measure exactly how the strategy handles catastrophic drawdowns. This level of data ingestion and iteration requires a way for the AI to move beyond the limitations of a chat window. This interaction happens through Model Context Protocol, or MCP servers. These act as the bridge, allowing Claude to interact with your local environment and datasets. Through MCP, Claude pulls live financial feeds from platforms like Snowflake, parses local files on your hard drive, and scrapes social media for real-time market sentiment. When a backtest fails, Claude uses these connections to analyze the error, rewrite its own Python scripts, and test again, creating a fully autonomous, self-correcting quantitative pipeline. Once the strategy survives the mathematical gauntlet, the focus moves from local testing to the live market. These AI agents are deployed as daemons, running silently 24 hours a day without requiring manual user intervention. They execute on-chain trades on Solana, calculate shifting odds on Polymarket, and trigger instant webhooks based on their validated logic. This system functions as a tireless quantitative employee, managing a portfolio without human oversight. Subjective chart analysis is simply a manual relic of a previous era. Edge in modern finance comes from architecting the AI agents capable of performing complex math at an industrial scale. The technological moat that once protected billion-dollar Wall Street hedge funds from the everyday retail trader has been breached. To survive in today's financial markets, you have to stop trying to outpredict the chart and start building the automated systems that can outtest the market.
All right, that's the update from the lab for today. I hope you learned something new. Head over to ASCIIgeek.com